very strange but wonderful aeroplane. The Westland Lysander looks, I always say this about the Lizzie, looks prehistoric, particularly when viewed from that position, and especially against the sinister dark sky such as that over Old Warden.
Conceived as a new platform for RAF Army Cooperation Command to replace the Hawker Audax and Hector biplanes, and this very distinctive design really a consequence of that role. Plenty of cockpit glazing for the pilot and the observer in the back. In the spats, we mounted a pair of forward firing ship
Powered by Bristol Mercury air-cooled radial engine, and although the Lizzie might look a little bit cumbersome, had fully automatic wing slats, variable incidence tailplane, and an excellent stall speed below 65 miles an hour, which meant it was ideal for short field operations. Could drop down behind enemy lines in its role as a taxi for secret agents into roughly prepared strips, even into ploughed fields if need be. Lizzie aptly demonstrated its espionage role Although it'd be nice to see some sunshine against that backdrop of that dark cloud. Perfect setting, I think, for the Lysander in this particular livery, depicting its wartime role.
Andy, I've overheard